Good afternoon, students. My name is Priyanka, and today in this lecture video we are going to study unit 2nd of quality assurance. So unit 2nd will cover the topics which I should write here. So the topics are organization and personnel. So this will be the first chapter of this unit. That means organization and personnel. We have to study about the facts or the organization or the personnel or their responsibilities which they have to follow. Then after that we have to study about the premises. So premises will refer to the location or the area or the manufacturing area where the goods are being produced or converted into the finished products. So how the premises should look or the layout, all that we are going to cover in this. And the last thing is about the organization, personnel, premises, and this is raw materials and equipments. Now basically an industry is made up of three things. That is, first the area, premises where the goods has to be manufactured. Then the materials which has to be converted or which is to be manufactured. Okay. The equipments which are required to get manufacturing things, but who will do these things? So for this we require personals, we require manpower also, we require higher qualified persons. So that makes an organization. Organization will include the topmost head to the lowermost worker. The organization will include all the workers who are involved directly or indirectly to work together in an industry. Okay, so an organization and personnel. So these are the things which an industry will require. Now let's see this one by one. So basically in personnel and organization, what are we going to study? Now we are going to study few topics. That is, now we are going to start looking the first topic of the unit, and in which we are going to cover their responsibility. We need to know what are the responsibilities. Responsibilities. Then second one will be the training. Responsibilities will be the first part, then second part will be the training. Then third part will be the hygiene, and the fourth will be the records. So these are the most important part which an organization or personnel will require, or the responsibilities which they have to follow, the training which they require to run an industry or to make the workers do the things according to them or to lead their profession, and the hygiene which is actually required in the area where they working. Finally, the records are maintained in every profession. Likewise, in a college, in an industry, wherever, but records has to be maintained. That who all, what are the products, what is the annum, how much is the turnover. So all that should be kept in a record. So these are the points. These are the things which are included in an organization as well as in personnel. So let us start one by one. The first thing is responsibilities. Okay, so responsibilities, here we are going to study about responsibilities of two things, who all are. First one is the quality control head. The head, okay, the head or the personnel. Personnel means the head, okay, HOD, head of the department. Now department, if I'm talking about, then department should include two peoples. Like first one should be the quality control head, and another could be the production head. Okay, so production head, for example, if I talk about the production head, production head will include the workers, the supervisors, which are to be guided by the head, production head. In an industry, production means the manufacturing area. Manufacturing area will include the direction which is given by the head. Everything is supervised by the head, and then after the second step, the superior to the head, the HOD of which is next level of the production head, is the supervisor, which will go to the table, which will go to the ground level to check all the requirements, all the things happening or not happening. And then the third level will be the workers, whether the workers are doing their duty properly or not. So this is the responsibility of the production head, where the manufacturing is actually taking place. Okay, so here we have to know about this, the responsibility of production head. Okay, then the second one will be the quality control head. Quality control head means, quality control is a department where the testing, okay, has to be testing, sampling, etc. has to be taken place. While we do quality control to check or to cross check the drug, the quality of a drug, and then if it is okay, then only we can approve it, or we can move ahead for the next level. Okay, so quality control head, there is a head which will look after only the quality of the products, only the test related things. Okay, so there is a head, and then after the head there will be a supervisor, again supervisor, which will supervise, or quality head will be the one. Then after the below the quality head, there will be different supervisors which will look after one test. For example, quality head will be the head of testing. Okay, it has testing the people who are doing the test sampling, then dissolution, then disintegration test. So these are the tests which are actually taking place in the industry, but who will judge this? Who will look after that these tests are actually taking place or not? So that should be looked after by the quality control head. Okay, so production head, quality control head. Now the third one should be quality assurance, but quality assurance will include only a single person or the group of persons who are not actually directly involved in the working, but they actually go place and they just approve the things. Okay, for example, if an IPQA person will go to the dissolution test, then it will approve the reading, it will go to the next level, it will go to the disintegration level. Okay, these are the reading of UV, HPLC, etc. And then it will approve, and then they will report to the QA head, that is called the main QA head. Okay, so these are the main responsibilities of main production head, QC head, and then QA head. Okay.